Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing waveaccounting.com or Wave Apps. As you can see, Wave Accounting, it is right here, and it is basically now named Wave Apps. So as you can see from this site, manage your money like a boss. So we have Wave lets small business owners like you create beautiful invoices, accept online payments, and make accounting easy all in one place. So as you can see, you can get started for free. And more reasons to love Wave right here: painless payroll, secure online payments, easy invoicing, and a lot more. So as you can see, if you're wondering if it's legit, this site looks actually legit. It doesn't have any red flags so far. So as you can see, they're rated 4.6 out of 5 stars on Google. And here on NerdWallet, they're rated 3.8 out of 5 stars. And Wave is best known for its free accounting software, but the company has moved many features to paid plan in recent years. Unfortunately, the plan doesn't address Wave users' biggest complaint: customer service. So their main weakness is customer service, since they don't have a very good customer service. So the pros of them is that they have a free plan and they have straightforward invoicing. Now the cons of it is that they have no built-in third-party integrations or advanced features, no live support unless you pay for their pro plan and another paid device, and no audit trails. And yeah, that is basically it. That is the pros and cons of Wave. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.